Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all-wheel drive. Onto the interior now of the Equinox. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our close handle, speaker, and storage. Side of the front seat we have our power seat adjustment and lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction steering wheel, and our push start just behind. Then we have our infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, phone connectivity, Wi-Fi hotspot, and backup camera. Below we have our radio controls, climate controls. Then underneath we have our charging outlets and a storage compartment. All-wheel drive toggle, gear selection stalk, 2 cup holders, electric park brake, storage, and padded center console lid. Front seats are featured in a combination of black and gray fabric with a copper stitching and honeycomb pattern in the lower portion of the seat. And above our rear view mirror, we have OnStar controls, reading lights, sunglass holder, and full gray headliner above. Back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Equinox badging in chrome, as well as paint matched mirror caps, door handles, and our chrome lock and unlock button for the driver. We have our rear privacy tint, paint matched fin antenna up top, and around to the back we have our Equinox badging in chrome, all-wheel drive LT badging also in chrome. Open our lift gate, and we have plenty of storage room inside, as well as the handles to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear vents and charging outlets. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos. And we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.